What's up everybody, it's Vay, and today I'm going to talk about the CoCoa hair growth program. I tried a 1-month supply of the hot chocolate, which boasted results of being able to grow your hair an extra 2 to 4 inches a month. So did I go from having this teeny weeny afro one day to having beautiful luscious locks 28 days later, like these? No, the short answer is no, I did not. And if you want to fast forward to the last 2 minutes of this video to see the results, feel free to do that. If not, then please sit tight and get ready to watch the full review. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So to make your CoCoa hot chocolate, you're going to need 2 teaspoons of the powder mix, and you're going to add that to about 3/4 cup of near boiling water or hot milk. I made mine with hot water and just added a little bit of non-dairy coffee creamer to it when I wanted a bit more flavor. I made this in a clear jar so that you guys can see the consistency. It is a bit watery, a bit grainy. I don't like the flavor. It kind of tastes like vitamins in my opinion. So adding the non-dairy coffee creamer to it, especially a mild flavor like vanilla, added just a bit of creaminess to it that I really enjoy. So to start things off, I'm going to measure my hair on camera for you guys before we begin this journey, just so we know where we're starting off at and we can compare it to where we end. The sides of my hair measure a little past 3 inches, really close to 3.5 inches. The top of my head, or the crown of my head, grows a little bit slower for me personally, and that's going to be like right at 3 inches. I'm also going to measure the very front of my head, which is the bangs of my hair, and that's just past 3 inches. And I'm going to take a little bit from the back, closer to the nape of my neck. This area of my hair grows a little faster, and that's going to measure out to about 3.5 inches. And then a little bit towards the back of my head, not the nape, but the actual back of my head, and that's the longest at 4 inches. So it seems like my entire head overall is between 3 and 4 inches. Some parts are 3 inches, some parts are 3.5 inches. As you see there, that's about 3.5 inches. So we just have to see how everything measures out in the end. So what can I expect from CoCoa? After visiting their website and looking up their information, you can see that the goal of the product is to promote the healthiest of hair. And that's something to keep in mind throughout this review, is that the goal is for healthy hair, not necessarily faster growing hair. But you can also see that there's other things here that promotes extra strength for your hair, nourishment, it's decrease in hair loss, increased speed in hair growth, which is the main purpose that people buy it for, reduce breakage, yada yada. It's also worth noting that each serving is only 26 calories, and it's vegetarian friendly, and it's also gluten-free. So there's no vegan version yet, but it's not a bad start. I think you should also be aware that sugar is actually the first ingredient listed in this hair product, but there's also biotin, there's also zinc. There are vitamins here that we know promote healthy and faster growing hair. Okay, I'm actually not sure how much more hot chocolate I can take. I have a confession to make. I have Mr. Pengu right here. Got my CoCoa like I always do. I actually stopped taking the CoCoa for about 2 weeks. I had only taken it for 2 weeks straight, and so I didn't expect any significant hair growth in 2 weeks. So perhaps I wasn't being fair, but it was like I missed one day, and then I could not find enough reasons to get back up and do it again. So I hope you guys don't hate me, because I guess this review is now a little skewed. Not 100% fair, because I didn't follow the treatment exactly as instructed. You're supposed to take it for, well, they say they recommend a cup a day for 28 days, 1 month, roughly. I did that for 2 weeks, then I stopped for 2 weeks, and now I'm back on it for the remainder 2 weeks supply that I have. And I do have to say, during the 2 weeks that I was taking this every single day, I saw no increase in hair growth, no shine. My curls were not tighter, nothing. I saw nothing. The only thing I did note was, I told you guys before, it makes me super hot and it doesn't taste good. And I always gotta pee after I drink it. When I stopped taking the CoCoa, I personally felt that my hair was suddenly shinier. My hair was easier to manage and much, much softer. Will I say it's a scam? No. I would say that a scam is a little bit too strong of a word. I think that it definitely contains things that are good for your hair. But I think that this product is most beneficial to people whose hair is in a damaged or unhealthy state. What this product does is help promote healthy hair. And naturally, healthy hair grows faster than unhealthy hair. So yeah, I kind of screwed up by not following the routine like I'm supposed to, but we will keep our eyes open for the last 2 weeks and hopefully everything will pass quickly and hopefully I'll get better results, but we'll keep our eyes open. Hey everybody, I am in my basement right now and I'm about to have a game night on the Xbox, and I've got my cup of CoCoa. I made it in a cup today because Mr. Pengu is retired in the kitchen cabinet. He's resting for the night. So I actually just wanted to do a quick update and say that I have about less than a week's supply left of the CoCoa hot chocolate mix, and I actually left it upstairs so I don't have the bag to show you, but I'm almost done with it. We are coming around the bend, the last turn. Okay, we are almost done with this. I will never drink another cup of hot chocolate again. I probably will, but it will not be CoCoa. Okay, I do have to say though that now I don't mind it. I don't want to make any definite judgments just yet because I do have a week left. But it'll be a quick week, hopefully. I just gotta get through about 5 to 7 more cups of this and I'm good. So, hey guys, I'm gonna talk about the CoCoa review now. I just washed my hair, so pardon me. I'm picking it out. I was going to measure my hair for you guys, but I can't find my tape measure. I did measure it earlier today. I wanted to do it on camera so you guys can see, but I can't find my tape measure now. So I'm going to tell you that after the 6-week ordeal, 6 weeks because I stopped for 2 weeks, my fault. After that, my hair has grown a 1/2 inch in some places and a full inch in other places, which that's just how my hair is. The back of my hair grows much faster than the top and the front. That my hair has grown just from looking at it. Has it grown a significant amount? No. Do I count the little bit of growth that it has grown to CoCoa? No, because your hair, if it's healthy, grows an average of a 1/2 inch a month anyway. So I think a scam is too harsh of a word to use for CoCoa. I think it does help your hair become healthy, and healthier hair grows faster than unhealthy hair. But other than that, it's kind of hot chocolate. Hot chocolate with, biotin in it, which is good for your hair, but not worth the full retail price, which I think was somewhere around $60. No way. It wasn't a complete waste of time. It was fun and I'm glad I did it. And I'll probably be trying other hair vitamins too. But overall, CoCoa is not what I thought it was. It's not fake, but it doesn't grow your hair out
2 to 4 extra inches a month. At least it did not for me. So thanks.